I tested out 5 Obd2 scanners with ECU coding capabilities so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. From DIY mechanics to seasoned pros, these tools can save you time and money while keeping your car in top shape. Let's dive into my detailed reviews. Product number 1, BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDI Scan Tool. When I first got my hands on the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro, I was genuinely excited. I plugged it into my car's OBDI2 port and connected it to my phone in no time. The setup was effortless, and the app interface, sleek and intuitive, made it easy to navigate. I was particularly impressed with the extensive diagnostics available. It's like having a mechanic in your pocket. I could read and clear not just engine codes, but also ABS, SRS, and even TPMS codes, which is crucial for vehicle safety. The real-time data monitoring feature was a game changer for me. I could see how my engine was performing while driving, which is invaluable for spotting potential issues before they escalate. Another standout feature was the repair report function, unlimited access to a database detailing possible fixes and causes for the codes I encountered. It felt like having a professional guide right there with me, removing the guesswork from repairs. The Bluetooth connection means I could diagnose issues without being tethered to my car, making it super convenient. Pros? The BlueDriver is incredibly user-friendly, supports a wide range of vehicles from 1996 and up, and has no hidden subscription fees. The support is also top-notch, with 24/7 assistance available. On the downside, I found that while it's great for most cars, some advanced features might be limited on less common models. Why should you buy it? If you're looking for an Obd2 scanner that combines ease of use, extensive functionalities, and real-time diagnostics without the burden of subscriptions, BlueDriver is definitely worth considering. It's not just a tool, it's an investment in keeping your vehicle healthy. Product number 2, OBD-Link CX BIMR Code OBD2 Adapter. As a proud BMW owner, I knew I had to try the OBD-Link CX BIMR Code. This tool is specifically designed for BMW and Mini enthusiasts, and I was eager to see how it would perform. The installation was straightforward, and I appreciated the solid Bluetooth connection it provided. No dropouts or data corruption here. With the BIMR Code app, I could access advanced features that are generally reserved for dealership tools. I was able to personalize settings in my car that I didn't even know existed, such as enabling features like automatic window closing and adjusting the lighting preferences. The ability to perform diagnostics and monitor live parameters directly from my phone added another layer of convenience. Pros include its compatibility with a wide range of BMW models and the advanced features it unlocks, which are a dream come true for any BIMR enthusiast. However, the BIMR Code app isn't included, which is a bummer since it requires an additional purchase. Why buy the OBD-Link CX? If you're a BMW or Mini owner looking to enhance your driving experience by unlocking your car's hidden features, this is the tool for you. It offers incredible depth and customization, making it a worthy addition to any BMW toolkit. Product number 3. Kingbolin eDiag Elite OBD2 Scanner. The Kingbolin eDiag Elite caught my eye thanks to its promise of bi-directional testing and extensive diagnostic capabilities. Upon receiving it, I was struck by its compact design and ease of use. The Bluetooth connection was seamless, allowing me to connect to my smartphone instantly. What I loved most was the bi-directional testing feature, which meant I could send commands to the car's systems to check for faults. I tested this on my windows and sunroof, and it was fascinating to see the immediate response. The lifetime updates were another highlight. Unlike other scanners, I didn't have to worry about additional subscription fees. The 15+ maintenance resets were incredibly useful for keeping my vehicle in check. I performed an oil reset and a throttle learning procedure, which saved me time and effort. However, I did notice that while it had broad compatibility, some advanced features were limited based on the vehicle's make and model. So, why should you consider the Kingbolin eDiag Elite? If you're a DIY car owner or a professional mechanic looking for a comprehensive tool that offers real-time diagnostics and active testing capabilities, this scanner delivers.
It's packed with features that can help you save time and keep your vehicle in optimal condition.
Product number 4, xtool D7 bidirectional Obd2 scanner. When I decided to test the xtool D7, I was blown away by its professionalism and comprehensive capabilities. This scanner feels like a serious tool for serious mechanics. The first thing I noticed was its high-resolution 7-inch screen, which made navigating through the extensive menus a breeze. The D7 supports over 36 special functions and allows for full system diagnostics, meaning I could scan every module in my car. I was particularly impressed with the bidirectional control feature. I could test components like the AC clutch and fuel injectors, which gave me the confidence to troubleshoot issues effectively. One of the most valuable aspects was the ability to graph live data. Being able to monitor multiple parameters simultaneously helped me diagnose performance issues quickly. The extensive vehicle coverage is another major plus. It's compatible with over 100,000 vehicles. However, with all these features comes a price, and the D7 isn't the cheapest option out there. If you're not using it frequently, the investment might seem heavy. But if you're serious about your vehicle maintenance or looking to start a repair business, the xtool D7 is an incredible investment. Its professional-grade diagnostics and advanced features can save you significant amounts on repairs and keep your vehicle running smoothly. It's a tool that pays for itself over time.
Product number 5, ThinkDiag2 all-system bidirectional Obd2 scanner. The ThinkDiag2 was the final scanner I decided to put to the test, and boy was I surprised at its performance. This compact tool packs a punch with its ability to diagnose full systems and perform active tests, making it a versatile choice for both DIY enthusiasts and small repair shops. It was easy to connect, and the auto VIN feature quickly identified my vehicle, which got me straight into diagnostics without any hassle. The 15+ maintenance reset functions were incredibly handy. I could perform tasks like oil resets and TPMS adjustments without needing a professional. The added CAN FD protocol support is a major bonus for newer vehicles, allowing for accurate diagnostics without needing additional adapters. On the downside, while it's an excellent tool for most vehicles, make sure to check compatibility, as some features vary based on the car's make and model. Why should you buy the ThinkDiag2? If you're looking for a cost-effective solution that packs advanced features into a compact design, this is it. It's perfect for those who want to perform extensive diagnostics without breaking the bank. In conclusion, each of these Obd2 scanners offers a unique set of features tailored to different needs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, investing in one of these tools can save you time, money, and hassle in the long run. Choose wisely based on your specific requirements, and happy diagnosing!